What if most of what you believe about quantum reality isn't actually science? What if your understanding of quantum physics comes not from real physics, but from simplified, distorted versions of it? Not because scientists are wrong, not because people are lying, but because complex science often gets reduced into catchy ideas, and catchy ideas slowly turn into myths. This is Quantum Genesis, where quantum secrets are confronted and clarified. If you like these topics, like and share this video. Quantum physics is one of the most precise and mathematically tested frameworks in human history. Yet most people learn about it through motivational quotes, viral videos, or spiritual interpretations, not from what the science actually says. This video isn't about motivation. It isn't about spirituality. And it isn't about hype. It's about separating real quantum science from popular quantum myths and understanding what physics actually tells us about reality. Now I'll lay out 4 myths to clear this up. Myth 1. Thoughts create reality. One of the most common claims is that your thoughts directly shape reality. You've probably heard it framed like this: if you think positively, the universe will respond. This idea borrows language from quantum physics, especially the concept of the observer effect, but it misunderstands what physicists actually mean. In quantum mechanics, an observer is not a human mind. It's a physical measurement system, a detector, a sensor, or any device that interacts with a particle. When a quantum system is measured, it interacts with an external system. That interaction changes the system's state, not because of consciousness, but because of physical coupling. Reality doesn't respond to belief, it responds to interaction. Your actions, your decisions, your experiments, and your feedback loops change outcomes, not your thoughts alone. So real change comes from intention, evidence, adjustment. That's not manifestation. That's causality. Myth 2. Everything is energy, so everything is the same. It's true that matter and energy are deeply connected. Einstein's equation E equals mc shows that mass is a form of energy. But saying everything is energy doesn't mean everything works the same way. Energy exists in different forms: electromagnetic, thermal, chemical, nuclear, kinetic. Each follows specific physical laws. A thought is a pattern of electrochemical activity in neurons. A moving object is governed by classical mechanics. A subatomic particle behaves according to quantum field equations. These operate at different scales, and scale matters. Quantum effects dominate at atomic and subatomic levels, but they average out at human scale due to decoherence. So while everything is connected through physics, not everything has the same influence or the same power. Understanding limits doesn't weaken you. It gives you precision. Myth 3. Reality needs human observation to exist. Another widespread claim is that reality doesn't exist unless a human observes it. This idea is often linked to Schrodinger's cat or quantum superposition, but it confuses philosophy with physics. In reality, quantum systems don't require a human observer. They interact with other particles, radiation measuring devices, the environment. This process is called decoherence, and it explains why quantum possibilities become definite outcomes without human awareness. The universe was evolving billions of years before humans existed. Stars formed, atoms bonded, galaxies collided. Reality does not depend on your attention. That idea isn't scientific humility. It's ego wrapped in scientific vocabulary. You don't create the universe. You study it. Myth 4. Quantum physics proves spirituality. Quantum physics does not prove spirituality. And spirituality does not need quantum physics to exist. Science focuses on mechanisms, how systems behave, how particles interact, how equations predict outcomes. Spirituality focuses on meaning, values, and purpose. Questions science is not designed to answer. Confusing the two weakens both. Science asks, how does reality work? Spirituality asks, why does existence matter? Both can coexist, but pretending one proves the other creates misunderstanding instead of wisdom. What quantum physics actually says about reality. Quantum theory shows that reality at small scales is probabilistic, quantized, governed by wave functions, constrained by uncertainty, shaped by interactions. It does not say, minds rewrite physics, beliefs control particles, consciousness collapses reality. The universe exists for human perception. The real mystery of quantum physics is not mystical control, it's mathematical structure. It's predictive accuracy. It's how simple equations describe an unimaginably complex universe. The real quantum shift. The real shift isn't about controlling reality. It's about understanding it more clearly than before. Myths feel comforting because they make us feel powerful. But truth, even when it's less magical, gives us something stronger. Accuracy, clarity, better decisions, better questions. The more illusions you drop, the more fascinating reality becomes. And once you start questioning what you were taught about quantum physics, you realize the real story is far more interesting than the myth. This is Quantum Genesis, where quantum secrets are confronted and clarified. If you like these topics, like and share this video.